Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you the procedures you can use to fix your Redmi Note 9 that won't send MMS. In sending an MMS message, your phone should have a stable connection to your provider's network because the data being transmitted is bigger than the usual text message. This problem might be due to a minor network or account issue. Here's what you can do about it. First solution, try to force restart your phone. A forced restart will refresh your phone's memory, and if this is just one of those minor firmware issues, then it should be enough to fix the problem. Here's how it's done. Press and hold the power key for 10 seconds. This will trigger your phone to shut down and power back up. Once the logo shows on the screen, release the power key and wait until the boot process is finished. After the reboot, send an MMS to your own number. Second solution, make sure there's reception and that mobile data is enabled. If the forced restart does not fix the problem, then try to check if your phone has a good reception. When it comes to texting, a stable signal is necessary. So try to look at the signal indicator at the status bar. If you only have 1 or 2 bars, that might be the reason why you can't send an MMS message. Another thing you have to check is the mobile data. It must be enabled so that your phone can send and receive MMS. To do so, just access the Quick Settings panel and tap the mobile data icon. It should turn blue. Third solution, check your balance. When sending an MMS, your account must have sufficient balance as your provider will charge you for the service. This goes for both prepaid and postpaid accounts. So if you haven't tried it yet, make sure to check the balance and add sufficient amounts if necessary. If you're a prepaid user, you should be able to check the balance easily. Fourth solution, call your service provider. After refreshing your phone's memory, checking the signal and making sure you have sufficient balance in your account and you still can't send MMS, then it's time to call your service provider. It may take a few minutes, but if you badly need to send picture messages or text messages with attachments, then you have no other choice. Your service provider should be able to provide more information as to why the problem occurs and even help you fix it. We hope that this guide can help you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure you enable the notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new videos. Thanks for watching.